How to download photos and videos from Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the Twitter application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on Twitter application on your device. As you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see different accounts over here and different pictures and videos over here. Now, if you want to download it, simply tap on any of these pictures over here. So let me just tap on the pictures and here tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. We have the option of save, so let's tap on save. So as you do that, you'll be able to see the photo has been saved. Now that's how you can simply download the photos and videos from Twitter. So in terms of videos as well, you can simply tap on the video, tap on three dotted lines, and here you get to see the option of download video. So you have to get the subscription over here in order to download the video. So we do not get the access of downloading the video without any sort of subscription. So we're gonna tap on maybe later. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.